So what should I cook today for my dinner? It's been quite some time that I haven't do this video on the rice cooker cooking. So today I will produce a rice cooker cooking for you all. And hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. If you are first timer here, if you like to see more of Daiso and other YouTube related stuff, please do subscribe my channel so that my channel can grow. Today I will be showing you the cheapest way to eat Yong Tau Foo. Normally, if you want to eat Yong Tau Foo, you go outside a hawker or kopitiam, but you can also go and buy Yong Tau Foo at this U-Star supermarket or Sheng Siong, and they only cost about $1 something. I bought mine from U-Star. It's only cost me about $1.75, and I also bought this Kai Lan for $1.45. And these two things I can eat for about 2-3 days if they are never gone spoiled. So now I will show you how I cook them in the rice cooker. Also, you also need these two ingredients, the seasoning. One is this sambal ikan bilis chili. Every time I eat, I will use this. Even I cook white rice, I can put this and eat. Like a nasi lemak chili, very tasty. The other one, maybe you can add in some this oyster sauce, any oyster sauce lah. So as a stinger, you stay in your own BTO house to eat dinner or lunch is very simple. You don't have to cook big portion. You just cook a little bit, and that you can finish, and you eat it. 一顿就是一顿啦, okay. And yes, you can go outside and eat, but if you are stay in an estate for quite some time, every time you go down also the same food store, you'll get bored. So I think you need to cook yourself sometime if you get bored about the food below your house. When you buy a Yong Tau Foo, please check the expiry date. This one will expire at 11/2019. So I still got a few days to finish it. You can steam it, or you can even you cook Maggi mee, you can throw some pieces inside. Okay, now I will go to the rice cooker and show you how I cook it. Yippee! So my dinner is ready. So I will enjoy my dinner. Do come back again next week and bye bye. Now I always use Pay to pay the grocery that I bought at the U-Star, and some of the shop in Punggol also using the Pay. They got cashback. Click on the link below if you don't have, and get the apps of Pay to get cashback.